I'm Sai Jitna. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So it is the biggest good news for all the iQOO 7 users, which is finally I'm getting the 4G plus aggregation inside my studio room, friends, using the Jio SIM card. So yes, it's finally happened after today releasing the software update. I think couple of hours ago, the couple of changes did happen, friends, with this kind of update. I think finally the 4G place I was able to get indoors. It's finally happened. Yes, it did happen, friends. So it's the biggest thing. I did not even imagine that my phone could do 4G place inside my studio room. So if you are following my channel from the beginning of this iQOO 7 device, you will definitely know me. So every time in every video I used to complain about this iQOO 7 device of not having 4G play signal indoors, where other phones they can actually get the 4G place. So using the same band, that is what my problem is. And finally I'm getting the 4G place in this iQOO 7 device. So this couple of hours ago I did receive the software update, as you can see, friends, clearly. And make sure to comment below in case you updated your phone. And after the update, are you able to receive 4G plus aggregation or not in the indoors? The locations which you are not getting before, try to check in that locations. Are you getting or not? In my case, it's finally happening, friends, in the iQOO 7. You don't know how much happy I was. So the one weird thing is that this kind of software update in latest, as you can see, is the latest software update, and there is no information about the network connectivity. That is the one thing which is quite surprising. I think it's small gift from me from the iQOO team, because after seeing so many videos, I think they decided to give me, I think so. But as you can see, friends, I did upload plenty of videos on this 4G plus aggregation speed test as well. If you watch any video on the iQOO 7 device, every time I used to complain only on one thing, which is 4G place is not that great in this phone, so which is not that good in the indoors. That is what my complaint used to be there before. But right now I think those kind of problems I won't be experiencing in this. And similar kind of update I have received in the iQOO Z3. So it is the iQOO Z3 smartphone, as you can see, friends. So in the iQOO Z3, one shocking thing is that they did mention the network ability in some areas, as you can see. So they did regarding the software update, I did get this kind of separate column for the network connectivity. But in the iQOO 7 device, I did not get any kind of column for that particularly. That is the reason I'm really excited. And as you can see, this is the exact variant I'm trying to use. So I just want to show you what is the update and what is my variant. And finally, friends, I was able to get the 4G place. And now let's check what is the net monster is showing and what are the applications they are showing. What is the band I'm trying to get right now. That is what I'm going to concentrate. As you can see, friends, right now 4G plus aggregation Jio 4G LTE 1800 band. I'm using the same as before in all the videos what I have used before in the iQOO 7 device, and now I was able to get the 4G place. Not only that, let me just show you the RX monitor application as well. As you can see clearly, indoor signal, you can see even the points as well, how many points I'm getting right now. It is a complete indoor situation, friends. So finally I got the update, which is 4G place, which is fantastic. But let's check the speed test I'll try to do, and even I'll try to do the download test as well. So there are a couple of things I'll be planning to do next, which is speed test comparison with other smartphones like OnePlus 9R and Realme X1 Max, particularly even with the iQOO Z3 and other smartphones. So stay tuned for those videos, even with the OnePlus Nord CE. So there's going to be plenty of comparisons which I'll be doing for the next couple of days on this kind of update, which is 4G place. So it's not, sometimes it will definitely disconnect, but not all the times. Let me try to do the test again. So let's see how much speeds we are getting right now. I think anything more than close to 10 Mbps should be kind of fine, but I'm not sure why I'm getting this kind of, right now the signals are, I think, some problem, I think so. That is the reason I did turn on the airplane mode, and again I turned off again airplane mode, and after that I was able to get the 10 Mbps of speeds in this iQOO 7 device inside my studio room environment, as you can see, friends, with the 4G plus connectivity. You can clearly see the signals as well with 1 bar and 2 bars. Sometimes I was able to get the 4G plus and sometimes not, but most of the time I was able to get the 4G plus, friends. That's fantastic. This has happened only after the update. That is the biggest thing which I thought of just mentioning. So recently even I did the ANTUTU benchmark video as well as the ANTUTU benchmark test which I did. In the test I did notice the temperatures are slightly decreased. Yes, it decreased. That is what my shocking thing is. So that is what another thing which I'll be focusing on, temperatures mainly. And temperature and the 4G place, these two are the main things which got fixed, I think so, with this kind of update. So seriously, friends, it's really great. And right now, as you can see, I'm getting consistently about close to 10 Mbps of speeds every time. So if you watch my channel from the beginning, you know about this device, you know how this phone will perform in the indoor conditions. So without 4G place, I used to get 4 Mbps and 5 Mbps, sometimes 6, 7. So depending upon its mode, I used to get. But right now, at least I was getting 4G plus, friends. It's really, you won't believe me how much I was happy. Yes. Because every time I used to say, because I did like this phone mainly because of the performance. That is the one strongest point used to be there. and rest of the things are like night mode. That used to be the strongest point. For the connectivity wise, that is what I did really shocked not getting 4G place using the same SIM card in this phone, other phone. So other phones was able to get and not this phone, and I'm trying to do the multiple time testings just to show you what is happening. Later I'll try to do the download test as well. So it's going up to 12 Mbps of speed, 11 Mbps. If possible, maybe today I'll try to upload side-by-side comparison with the Realme X1 Max. So is the Realme X1 Max, as you can see, friends. So even the Realme X1 Max also received the update just today only. So we'll be able to decide which phone has got better kind of 4G place indoor conditions. This will be really equal kind of testing, because now this phone can do, even the Realme X1 Max can do. Now we are done with the speed test. Now let's move to the next is the download test. Let's see how much time it will take to download 57 MB of file, which is the game which I use every day. So every time when I try to do this kind of testing, we need to type in the search bar, which is El Clan Racing. So this is a game which I'll be trying to download right now. Let's see, friends, using the 4G place, how much speeds we can actually get on the top of the notification bar. That's what I'm going to check right now. So right now I'm getting 4G place. Wow, 1.27 Mbps. That's good. 1.58 Mbps. So I'll try to compare this exact Jio SIM card I'm trying to use in this testing. I forgot to mention. Sorry for that, friends. It's the Jio SIM card indoor type testing. So before the update, same location, I did not get the 4G place. Now after the update, I got the 4G place. That's really good. You can really understand how much happy I was. So after seeing this kind of 4G place, so few of the problems still they need to fix in this IQ7 device. For example, screen flickering issue and the green tint. Screen flickering issue, I got the update, so I need to check that thing. I'll try to do that video separately, friends. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. But finally, so 1.58 Mbps is the highest download speed. I'm saying. And what? This is a new thing. So before it did not happen. After installing, I did not get that kind of message. So which is annoying. I think maybe after the update, there are a couple of changes which also happened. Some of them users will like, some of them users will not like. So make sure to stay tuned, friends. I'll try to post each and every small detail about this IQ7 device. You know about me. I'll try to talk each and every small point as well, which may be matters for you a lot. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. And don't forget to check the links in description for more videos. And one more thing, final quick note, make sure to comment below whether your phone after the software update, whether you was able to get the 4G place aggregation or not. So make sure to comment below, friends. Definitely before you didn't get, and after the update if you got, then make sure to comment below. Please try to comment. So anything related to 4G place, if you see the speeds increased or not, make sure to comment below. Anything positive or negative, all the comments are accepted. I just want to see the feedback about this update latest which we have received. So let's do the research together on this update, friends. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. And in case if you want to download this beach live wallpapers, so make sure to check the links in description. So what are you waiting, friends? There's a playlist wallpaper available, and use my links to buy the phones and any other accessories for the smartphones. So see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye. It's not CE.